Welcome, coffee lovers. This is G-PRESSO, the first portable coffee maker that makes hot and cold brew with CREMA. In only 4 minutes, you can make cold brew or hot coffee. It's your choice. Use G-PRESSO at home, your office, or on camping trips. Always be ready. G-PRESSO is lightweight and made with state-of-the-art Triton. Simply scoop in your favorite brand coffee grounds. G-PRESSO assembles in seconds and can be used with cool, warm, and hot water. Activate G-PRESSO and enjoy watching the Gyro-Press extraction. The force created by the rapid spinning creates a pressure that releases the deepest flavors of the coffee bean, and much like an espresso, has its own CREMA. You now have a traveling cafe that can make any kind of coffee you desire.